Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to teach before after between numbers to KG kids. First, let us do with pictures. First, tell the child to identify all these pictures and read out. What is this? Chocolate, lollipop, mango, star, pencil, balloon, and kite. So the children will enjoy to read out these pictures. Children will enjoy to identify these pictures. After identifying these pictures, ask them what is before lollipop? What is before lollipop? What is there before lollipop? Yes, there is a chocolate before lollipop. First, let the child to understand in their mother tongue. For example, in Telugu, before means mundu. Lollipop mundu ఏముంది? Lollipop pehle kya hai? You have to ask them like that first because they need to know the meaning of before first. Before, after, whatever between, the meanings of before, after, between, they need to know in their mother tongue first. After that, teach them in English. So, after learning the meaning of before, after, between, ask them in English only. What is there before lollipop? Yes, before lollipop, we have a chocolate over there. So, shall we write here chocolate? Shall we draw here a chocolate? Yes. Now tell me, my dear kid, what is there before star? Where is the star here in this line? Yes, here is a star. And what is there before star? Yes, there is a mango. There is a yellow mango. Right? So come on, draw here. Draw here. Before star, we have a yellow mango. Yes. Now tell me, my dear kid, what is there before a balloon? What is there before a balloon? Yes, before a balloon, we have a pencil. Pencil we used to write, right? So, before a balloon, we have a pencil. Come on, let us draw pencil before balloon here in the line. Encourage them to draw the pictures so they will enjoy and they will learn easily. Now tell me, my dear kid, ask them like this. They will enjoy learning. What is there after star? What is there after star? First, they need to know the meaning of star. First, they need to know the meaning of after. Okay, in their mother tongue. After that, they will do easily. So, what is there after star here? Yes, after star, we have a pencil. So, let us draw a pencil after star. Yes. So, before balloon, we have a pencil, and after star, we have a pencil. Right? So, they will understand the meaning, what is before and what is after. Now, what is there after mango here? Mango is here in the line. What is there after mango? Yes, after mango, we have a star. After mango, we have a star. Now, let us draw a star in the dash. Yes. Yeah, we have done with the star. Now, tell me, my dear kid, what is there after balloon? Here is a balloon. So, after balloon, what is there in the line? Yes, there is a kite. Yes, there is a kite after balloon. So, let us draw a kite after the balloon. Yes, we have done with the kite. Now, coming to the next picture, pencil is there in the question. Now tell me, my dear kid, where is a pencil in the line? Yes, here is a pencil. What is there after the pencil? Balloon. Now tell me, what is there before kite? Balloon. So, here is a pencil and here is a kite. In between, which picture is there? Yes, there is a balloon between of pencil and a kite. So we need to draw here a balloon. Yes. Now tell me what is there here? Here is a mango. Now tell me, here is a mango and on the other side is a pencil. In between we have to fill up with a picture. So which picture will come? Come on, identify which picture will come here. Now let us search in the line. First mango is there and pencil is here. So in between we have a star. So between of mango and pencil we need to draw a star. Yes, we have done with the star. Now here is a chocolate and on the other side we have a lollipop. Right? So here is a chocolate and here is a lollipop. In between nothing is there. Empty box. Yes, we have to live with the empty box. Yes. Now, shall we do with numbers? Yes. Now, ask the child to do with numbers. So, before doing with numbers, the child need to know at least from 1 to 100 numbers perfectly so that they will do easily. So, first let them read numbers, all the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 numbers here. Now we will do before and after numbers. Okay? Yes. Now tell me, here is a 2. So before 2 we have to fill up with what number? We have a dash over there. So we have to fill up with number. Before 2 what is there? Yes, already they have learnt with pictures. So they will learn easy, they will identify easily. Numbers also they will identify easily. Before 2, we have a number 1. So we need to write number 1 over there. Yes. Now, next number is 6. Where is the 6 in the line? Here is a 6. So, before 6, we have to write now. Before 6, which number is there? 5 is there, right? So, we need to write 5 before 6. Yes, now next number is 4 we have in the question. Where is the 4? Here is the 4. So, what is there before 4? Number 3. Come on, write number 3 before 4. Now, next number is number 3. So, here is a number 3. Before 3, which number is there? Yes, we have number 2. So, let us do with 2 here. So, next number 1. So, before 1, which number is there? 0. 0 means nothing. So, we need to write 0 over there. So, let them do all the worksheet. So, practice the daily, daily one page they need to get a practice. Practice 1, practice 2, practice 3. Like that you have to prepare a worksheet and you have to make them right. So, after 4, which number is there here, beta? So, after tarvata बाद का नंबर 4 के बाद में क्या है? Set 4 के बाद में 5. So we need to do with 5 here. After 4 we have 5. So we have to write a 5. 7 after 8. 7 after 8. 6 after 7. 9 after 10. 3 after, where is the 3 here? Yes, here is a 3. 3 after 4. Very good, my dear kid. You are identifying very easily. You just encourage the child like that. Now, let us do with between numbers. So, here is a 5 and on the other side we have 7. So, between of 5 and 7, which number is there? We have to identify, my dear kid. 5 is here, 7 is here. So, after 5, 6 is there. 7 before 6 is there. 7 before 6 we have to write. After 5, 6 we have to write. So that is called between number. So we have to write here 6. 3 after 4. 5 before 4. So we need to write here 4. 7 after 8. 9 before 8. So we need to write here 8. Now the next number is 6. 6 after 7. 6 after 7 and 8 before 7. That is called between number. Okay, that we have to write with 7. 1 after 2. 3 before 2. So they will get a practice like that. And after that, to prepare worksheets like practice 1 and again practice 2. Here you need to give 1 to 10 mixed numbers. 1 to 10 mixed numbers before, after, between. So that is a practice 1 for one day. And next day you give a practice with 11 to 20 numbers. Again you give 11 to 20 numbers on one side and ask them to read the numbers, and after that tell them to identify. So here in before pages we wrote numbers like this. So here I wrote numbers like this. So let us get practice like this also. So 12 before 11. So we need to write 11. 12 ki mundu 11 undi. 12 ke pehle 11 hai. So we have to write 11. Now 13 after we have a dash. 13 after we have a dash. So 13 after, 13 ke baad ka number, 13 tarvata 14. So that you have to write. So let us get practice and prepare worksheets as many as possible with many numbers. So next in practice 3, give from 1 to 100 numbers. Because they know already 1 to 100 numbers, they'll identify. So after getting identify only, you can make them write before, after, between numbers. So give practice 1, practice 2, practice 3 worksheets you have to prepare, and you have to make them write daily 1 page. So let them do with 1 to 100 numbers in practice 4. After that you can increase the numbers also. So I hope you all understood the concept, how to teach the kid before, after, between numbers. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.